Have you ever found yourself lying awake at night, tossing and turning, wondering why sleep just isn't coming easy anymore? Or maybe you wake up feeling sore, a little weaker, even though you're trying your best to stay active. If you're a senior, the answer might be hiding right on your dinner plate. Let's talk about something most folks overlook: what you eat before bedtime. There's one common mistake I see so many seniors make: eating sugary snacks or refined carbs late at night. It's a simple habit, but it can quietly chip away at your precious sleep and muscle health. Here's the truth: foods like cookies, white bread, sweetened cereals, or even a glass of juice might seem harmless, even comforting. But these foods spike your blood sugar, and that can send your body on a roller coaster ride when you should be winding down. The result? Poor sleep, more nighttime bathroom trips, and, what's worse, your body's ability to build or even maintain muscle gets blocked. Why does this happen? Well, as we age, our bodies become more sensitive to high blood sugar levels. Eating sugar or refined carbs before bed can cause a surge of insulin, which not only disrupts deep sleep cycles, but also interferes with growth hormone, the very thing that helps repair and build muscle overnight. So, what was meant to be a peaceful night of restoration becomes a missed opportunity for your muscles to recover. I get it. Sometimes an evening treat feels like a little reward. But if you swap that cookie for a small serving of Greek yogurt, some nuts, or a piece of cheese, you're giving your body the tools it needs to rest, repair, and wake up stronger. With just one simple change, you can protect your sleep and your muscles for the years ahead. Remember, you deserve restful nights and strong, healthy days. So next time you reach for a bedtime snack, ask yourself, is this helping or hurting my health? I'd love to hear your experiences. What foods have helped you sleep better? Or what habits have you changed as you've gotten older? Drop a comment below and let's support each other in this journey. Take care of your body. It's the only place you have to live. If you found this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and share this with a friend who might need it too. Sleep well, stay strong, and I'll see you next time.